Okay, I'm making the 12-minute German chocolate lava cake in the microwave. I've already done just the regular German chocolate cake mix, like how it says on the box. Poured it into the Pampered shelf pan. Next, just get the regular coconut. Take scoops of it and just dump it on top of the cake. And just do it all the way around until you use all of it. Like that, so I can scoop some more. And just scoop it all in there. Got a little more left in here. Sorry about the recording. I'm trying to scoop this last bit out of here. Make sure you get all of it. Okay. So that is what you have. Okay. And now I'm going to go put it in a microwave for 12 minutes. Okay, the 12 minutes is up. I just pulled it out. And that's what it looks like in the pan. You're going to wait. I give it probably around 5 minutes, and then I will dump it out. And I will be right back. Okay, the 5 minutes is up, and I just put a plate over it and flipped it over, and this is my final product. See how all the icing just went to the top? It was very easy to cut, and you can see how all the icing has just soaked in to the top of the cake. Delicious.